Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2022 Chevrolet Silverado. This Silverado is featured in a black paint finish and is the LT Trail Boss trim. It includes features such as our 2-inch factory lift, backup camera with adaptive and hitch guidelines, heated front cloth bucket seats, our front and rear park assist, a power tailgate, as well as a lined truck bed, and much more. Starting off in the front of the vehicle, we can see we have a chrome finish door handle, power locks, below are power mirrors as well as power window controls. Bottom of the door has some additional storage as well as our speaker. Just inside the vehicle to the left of the steering wheel, we have our tow mode as well as drive mode select. All of the controls for our on-the-fly transfer case as well as our lighting controls. Down the side of the seat, we have our power controls for the driver's seat, as well as we can see the seat here in our jet black cloth and heated for the front driver and passenger. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, we can see our display cluster. We have a digital information system in the center of our display cluster. Left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have all of our cruise settings. Right-hand side, we have the controls for our hands-free, as well as the controls for our display cluster information system. Moving to our infotainment system in the middle, we can see we have AM, FM, and Sirius XM radio, Bluetooth connection, a Wi-Fi hotspot, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, all of our trailer lights, as well as our OnStar services. If we swipe to the right, we can also see our backup camera with our adaptive, as well as our hitch guidelines. Below, some additional controls if we don't want to be using the touchscreen always. Then we have our dual zone front climate control, heated driver and heated passenger seat, push to start ignition just to the left. Across the bottom are front and rear park sensors, power tailgate, hazard lights, traction control, and downhill assist. Then we have a USB-C, USB, and a 12-volt plug. Some storage behind that. 2 cup holders, also with storage in the center. Center console in a leather finish with storage up top. You can also see our key here. On the keys, we have our power locks, a remote start, power tailgate button, as well as our alarm system. Opening into the center console with the button on front, we can see that we have deep storage. Passenger seat, we can see is also finished in our jet black cloth and is heated. Then lastly, above our rear view mirror, we have all of our OnStar controls, rear check reminder, as well as our lighting controls. Now walking down the side of the vehicle, moving to our front tire and rim, we can see we have a gloss black alloy rim with a Chevrolet bow tie center cap and an all-terrain tire. 2-inch factory lift. We have paint match mirror caps as well as paint match door handles. Back of the vehicle, we have our corner bumper steps. We can see all the way around to the back, we have all of our badging in chrome, dual chrome exhaust tips, trailer tow hitch at the bottom. On the left-hand side of our tailgate, we have our backup camera, power tailgate, easy push button with an easy lower setting. In the bed of the truck, we have our in-bed lighting, as well as our cable tie-downs in the front and back, and our lined bed for our protection package. Moving into the back of the vehicle, we can see we have a chrome finish door handle, power window control, as well as storage and a speaker in the bottom of the door. Inside the vehicle, we have a storage compartment in the back of the driver's seat. Between the 2 front seats, we have 2 cup holders with storage. Below it, we can see that we have our 2 vents, USB-C, USB, and 12-volt plug for charging. We have a storage compartment in the back of the passenger seat as well. Moving to the seats in the second row, we have a folding bench with a jet black cloth finish. In the center seat, we have 2 foldable cup holders with storage in the middle. Then lastly, in the outboard seats, we can see that we have our storage compartment in the back of them, as well as our under-seat storage that we can access by simply lifting up on these seats. And we can see that it is a 60-40 folding split. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2022 Chevrolet Silverado. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.